Hello everyone, I am Rama. In this video, I am going to show you how to find iterations in Jacobi method to solve the system of linear equations. In calculator, Casio FX991ES plus. Let us see an example. Solve the system of equations 20x plus y minus 2z equal to 17, 3x plus 20y minus z equal to minus 18, 2x minus 3y plus 20z equal to 25 using Gauss-Jacobi method. Let us write these three linear equations in three unknowns in matrix representation. This is of the form Ax equals to b. Here it is very clear that the system is diagonally dominant since in the coefficient matrix A we can see the diagonal elements are 20, 20, 20 and they are satisfying the condition that modulus of Aii which is greater than or equals to modulus of summation modulus of Aij where I is not equals to j. That means this is modulus of 20 which is greater than or equals to modulus of 1 plus modulus of minus 2, nothing but 20 is greater than 3 which is true. Similarly for the second row, modulus of 20 which is greater than or equals to modulus of 3 plus modulus of minus 1, that means 20 is greater than 4 which is true. Similarly for the third row, we consider modulus of 20 which is greater than or equals to modulus of 2 plus modulus of minus 3. That means 20 is greater than 5 which is also true. The system is said to be diagonally dominant then. Thus, the iteration formula is to be written as, we need to write the coefficients of dominating elements from the system of equations. So here 20 is the diagonally dominating element, its coefficient is x. Let us write x from this. So we are going to get it as x equal to 1 by 20 into 17 minus y plus 2z. Similarly for the second dominating element 20y, so here its coefficient is y, it is to be written as 1 by 20 into minus 18 minus 3x plus z. And similarly the third diagonal element 20 z, it is in the third equation. From this we write z is equals to 1 by 20 into 25 minus 2x plus 3y. This is the iteration formula. Now taking initial guess for the desired solution and using that in the right hand side part, we will find successive iterations for the variables on the left hand side. The iteration formula can also be shown as xk plus 1 which is obtained from 1 by 20 into 17 minus yk plus 2 zk, and yk plus 1 equals to 1 by 20 into minus 18 minus 3xk plus zk, and zk plus 1 equals to 1 by 20 into 25 minus 2xk plus 3yk. So let us take initial guess as a zero solution for all the variables x, y, z. Now we need to use these values x equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0 on the right hand side of the iteration formula so that the first iterations can be obtained. Again we use them on the right hand side to get second iterations and we keep on doing the same. Now to generate successive iterations, we need to enter iteration formula in the calculator as, we are going to use notations for the variables on the left hand side as capital X, capital Y, capital D, and for the right hand side we use different variables from these. So we are going to take ABC for xyz. So we need to enter our iteration formula as capital X is equals to 1 by 20 into 17 minus y in the sense ABC. These are in sequence of x, y, z. So in place of y we use b plus 2z is nothing but 2c colon capital Y equals to 1 by 20 into minus 18 minus 3x in the sense A plus z is c colon d. As z is not available, in place of z I am taking capital D. D is equals to 1 by 20 into 25 minus 2x in the sense 2a plus 3y 3b. This is the iteration formula that we need to enter in the calculator. Everything should be in pink color only. Let us see in calculator. So let us start the first one. X equal to, that x is here, so we use alpha x equal to pink color alpha CALC fraction form. It is 1 by 20 into 17 minus b, that b is here alpha b plus 2c, c is here. Now we need to close brackets and colon, that is here alpha colon. Now we need to enter y, y is here equal to fraction form 1 by 20 into minus 18 minus 3a plus c, brackets closed, enter colon. This colon shows separating each equation. Z is equals to, which is nothing but d, equals to 1 by 20 into 25 minus 2a plus 3b, brackets closed. Now we can check all the equations once again. We should remember capital X, capital Y, capital D on the left hand side are shows next iterations to x, y, z values, successive iterations in the sense. So let us see. First equation, x equal to 1 by 20 into 17 minus b plus 2c colon. Second equation is y is equals to 1 by 20 into minus 18 minus 3a plus c, and z is equals to nothing but d is equals to 1 by 20 into 25 minus 2a plus 3b. We have entered iteration formula in the calculator now. Now we can use CLC button. It will be asking for b. B is nothing but y. For y we have assumed initial guess as 0. So we must give that value here. We can see some value on the display. We should ignore it. Let us give the value 0 for y and then press equal to c. C in the sense in sequence x, y, z. Z value is to be entered. So the initial guess is assumed as 0. We should give that value and press equal to. And a in the sense x, for x also the initial guess is assumed as 0. We give 0 and then press equal to. Now we can see capital X on the display. Capital X in the sense it is for the variable x. The value is to be noted down. So for the first iteration using starting guess, we got the value of x as 17 by 20. Converting this to decimal, the value is 0.85. And then after noting down this value, press equal to, we see capital Y on the display. It is minus 9 by 10. Converting to decimal, which is minus 0.9. And then press equal to, we get D on the display, nothing but Z value. So it is in the decimal form as 1.25. Now the first iterations are being obtained. Using these first iterations, we need to generate second iterations. So to enter the first iteration values, again no need to go for CILC. In continuation, we can use this equal to button. Now it is asking for B, nothing but Y. The first iteration of Y is obtained as minus 0.9. So we need to give minus 0.9 and then press equal to. Asking for C is nothing but Z. First iteration of Z is 1.25. Let us enter that value here and then press equal to. Asking for A, nothing but X. X is 0.85. 0.85. So X value is also given and then press equal to. We see X on the display. Converting to decimal, we get 1.02. We need to note down that and then press equal to. We see Y on display in fraction form. Equal to, again we see Y value, which is minus 0.965 and then press equal to. We see D on the display, nothing but Z value, which is 1.03. Similarly, using these second iterations, we get third iterations, for which we press equal to button. It will be asking for Y, nothing but minus 0.965 and then press equal to. C, nothing but Z value 1.03 and then press equal to. A, nothing but 1.02. Press equal to. Then we can see X value on display, which is 1.001 and again press equal to. The value of Y is minus 1.0015 and then press equal to. On the display it is D value, nothing but Z value, is 1.003. So like this we can find any number of iterations. In this problem we are going to get the solution as one minus 1, 1. Continuing the same process, the solution can be approximated to x equal to 1, y is equals to minus 1, z is equals to 1. I hope you understood this. Thank you.